Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own talking avatars with these simple steps. So let's dive right in. We're going to talk about two methods through which you can create your own talking avatars. The first method, we're going to create a video from Pixverse and then we're going to use it in another tool for talking avatar. Head over to pixverse.ai and then click on Get Started in Web. Log in with Google and then from the home page, click on Create. So with this tool, you can create videos from text and images as well. So let's create a video from the text first. Turn on this inspiring prompt and then select your style. Give it few seconds to generate the videos. Alright, and there you go, the AI has generated these two videos. Alright, so we need to download these videos and then we're gonna use it in a different tool to make talking avatars. Click here to download it to your computer. Up next, we're gonna use an image to make the video. Select your file from here. Select the strength of motion and then turn on this HD quality. And then click on Create. And just like that, our video is ready. So let's download it. Alright, so the other method to create the videos is by using Canva. Head over to Canva and then click on Create a Design. Select video from here and after that upload your image here. Now we're gonna click on Share and then download it in MP4. So the video looks like this. Now that we have our videos ready, it's time to generate the talking avatars. And for that we're gonna need a script and then the voiceover. So for the script, you can use ChatGPT, enter your topic and then ask the AI to write few sentences. So let's just copy this. And then we're gonna go to 11 Labs and generate the voiceover. Simply enter your text, select your voiceover actor.
A man sees in the world what he cares.
But these are not normal times in our politics.
And then click on Generate. Once generated, download it to your computer. Alright, so now that we have our videos and the voiceover ready, it's time to go to Lalamoo Studio and then make our characters talk with AI. So head over to Lalamoo Studio and then click on Try for free and then it will take you to Canva Studio. Just click on Use in New Design and then select video from here. Upload your video and then upload your voiceover. And after that, just click on Generate Lip Sync Video. Once your video is ready, just click on Add to Design.
Welcome to the vibrant world of Sarah Styles. Join me on a journey of fashion, lifestyle and adventure as we explore the latest trends and share unforgettable moments together.
Alright, so if you're satisfied with your video, just click on Share and then download it to your computer. Now let's try with the other videos. So this is the video generated by Pixverse. We're gonna do the same thing, upload our audio and then click on Generate Lip Sync.
Welcome to the vibrant world of Sarah Styles. Join me on a journey of fashion, lifestyle and adventure as we explore the latest trends and share unforgettable moments together.
Alright, so let's try with one last video.
Welcome to the vibrant world of Sarah Styles. Join me on a journey of fashion, lifestyle and adventure as we explore the latest trends and share unforgettable moments together.
Alright, so that's about it for today. These were the steps through which you can create these talking avatars for free. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.